Hi, welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch. I'm Bob Gibbs, and this is December 22nd, 2011. So we're nearing the end of the year, and we're in the holiday seasons here. And I wanted to have a quick message with you today regarding loans, and in particular, I'm talking about FHA loans. And what we're finding these days is that FHA loans, while they're good, and they've actually raised the limit back up to $729,950. We're finding is that you need to be very cautious in the home you buy when you're looking at an FHA loan. And here's the reasons why. There was a what's called an anti-flip law that was in place for a long time that said that anyone who bought a home and couldn't really get an FHA loan, unless they held it for over 90 days. And so that law was overturned basically, but it was overturned with a twist. And here it is. If you see a home you like and you're going to be using an FHA loan, and you get in a contract and all of a sudden you find out that the owner's only had it for 60 days and it's actually a flip home, regardless of how much money they're making, there are other requirements that the FHA is going to burden you with. And I use burden because it really kind of is. So you'll need to get 2 appraisals. So and what happens is the FHA will take the lowest of the 2. And the next thing is that not only the pest inspection and needs to be done, and the Section 1 clearance will need to be done. And you can call me later if you're not sure what I mean by Section 1. But they also will require you to do a home inspection. And now here's the twist. When the home inspection is performed, the FHA will want a copy of it, and they actually will go through the home inspection and choose the items that they feel that they want to have done to the home prior to funding the loan. Now this can be a deal breaker in a lot of different transactions. There are many homes that are being sold as is. The flip homes, sometimes they've been updated, sometimes they haven't been. But the bottom line is the buyer is buying a home that they have, and they're aware of what's going on with the house. So basically the FHA is stepping in and saying it's prior to 90 days, we're going to require 2 appraisals, and we're going to look at the home report and ask you to fix a bunch of things before we close. So this makes the whole transaction a lot more complicated, and the contract negotiating more complicated. So here's my recommendations. If you're a seller and you fix and flip homes, if you intend on selling it prior to 90 days, I would not consider FHA buyers as an option there. I mean, just use for cash or conventional only. If you're a buyer and you're going to use an FHA loan, you're going to need to probably go into the contract negotiating with a lot more information, and not all agents are aware of all these things. So feel free to give us a call or shoot me an email with any questions you may have about this. Bottom line is you need to really make sure you're educated, both from a buyer and a seller perspective. You're going to buy one of these homes and it's a flip home. You're going to use an FHA loan. You can be protected. Just know that you have to have an agent who is actually aware of the laws that are in place and know how to deal with these things. So with that, just remember that we're here to help you realize your real estate goals and dreams. Go out and make it a great day, and a happy Merry Christmas and a happy holiday to all of you.